welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my Supernatural Pan Interrupted update for you. I have been doing this project forever, since August of 2018. I am attempting to pan a product for every single episode of Supernatural that has ever aired. That is 15 seasons. It's a lot of episodes. It's a lot of products. It's going to take a while. I'm okay with that. This is my forever project, and it's probably going to take me like forever. I am doing 6 products at a time because the number 6 is very relevant in the TV series. So I've got my 6 going, and then when I have my product panned, whether it's to meet a goal, hit pan, finish, whatever, and it's a mixed bag all around, I will roll that product and that episode out. I will go to the very next episode in line and keep it going. So I have a very, very good update. I have 3 rollouts and subsequently 3 roll-ins. So I am very excited about that. We are just going to jump right into it. The first one is The Curious Case of Dean Winchester. In that episode, they're playing poker for years. It's not good. They age really quickly. So I brought in an anti-aging product. This is the Naturally Serious Cold Press Peel Pads, or it's the Get Even Cold Press Peel Pads. I have finally finished all of them. I really like these, and once I got past that time where my skin was super sensitive, I was able to use those most days. Not every single day, but most days. I was able to finish them up. I kind of miss them. I haven't had them for like a week, and yeah, I am missing them very much. And I think when I was having my sensitive skin issues, I think it was a retinol thing. It was just too much going on with my skin at one time, and once I stopped using the retinol, my skin was back to normal. All right, so moving on to the next one, The Real Ghostbusters. This is definitely one of my top 5 episodes that I absolutely love. It's kind of funny in a scary kind of way. In this particular episode, they're in a convention center. There's lots of Sam and Deans. If you know, you know. If you watch the show, you will probably know exactly which episode I'm talking about. In this one room, they create a circle of salt around it so that no supernatural beings can get in. So I chose the eyeshadow circle of salt from the ColourPop Hocus Pocus Witching Hour palette. Let me see if I can get this thing opened. And Circle of Salt is this beautiful green color right here. I was just attempting to hit pan, which you can see right there. So this is going to be rolling out. On to the episode, Abandon All Hope. In that episode, Sam, Dean, and Castiel, who is their, I guess, kind of like guardian angel, they are trying to catch Lucifer to kill him. And so I brought in an eyeshadow from the Essence I Like to Mauve It palette. It is called Catching, because that is what they are attempting to do. And I wanted to hit pan in it, and bam, look at that. Pan right there. I now have pan in every single eyeshadow in this particular palette. I am very happy about that. Always like to see those shiny, happy pans in there. So the first 3 episodes in order are rolling out. And then now I have 3 more episodes, 3 more products that didn't use a whole lot. I mean, I used 2 of them some, but not a lot. And 1 I didn't touch at all. So, first episode is Swap Meat, M-E-A-T, and that episode is very magic related. So I chose the Essence Fairy Wings and Magical Things palette, the shade It's Magic. It is this purple shade right up here. I am attempting to hit pan. I think I've used it once since the last update, and yeah, I am not going to be hitting pan if I only use it once in a month. But I am working on quite a few purple eyeshadows right now, so I'm kind of splitting time. Hopefully I can hit pan on some of the other purples so I can really focus on this one next. The next episode is The Song Remains the Same. They are kind of like in a parallel timeline, and I decided to bring in the Vani Cosmetics Parallel Universe because of the parallel timeline. You know, just kind of trying to fit it in any way I can. And I already have pan, but I want to hit side pan on this. I did not use this at all since the last update. This is something I will be using on my nails, and I'm attempting to get usage on all of my nail polishes this year, this calendar year. and I'm getting closer. Once I hit that, or I have a polish that I am working on that will coordinate with this purple, then I will use this for an accent nail, but it just didn't happen in the past month. In the last episode that has a continuing product, it is Dead Men Don't Wear Plaid. In that episode, people are coming from the graves, they're like being revived, and I decided to bring in a product that I am reviving from the graveyard from another project. This is the Jessica Nails Moisturizing Cuticle Remover. I had it in a project once upon a time to finish it. You can still see there's a ton in there, so I decided to put it in only for 10 uses. I am currently at 2 uses. I try to use this every 2 to 3 times I do my nails, because time, you know how time is. And I've only gotten that done twice, even though I have done my nails more than, a few times. So I'm just going to keep that in. I will get to those other 8 uses. It's just going to be like a couple a month, 2, 3, if I'm lucky, maybe 4 a month. So I'm looking at least 2 to 3 updates before I can roll that one out. And now we get to our roll-ins. I'm rolling in 3 new episodes, 3 new products, and I'm very excited because I'm bringing in 3 products that I have never used before, like ever. So that makes me very happy. So in order, the first episode is Dark Side of the Moon. In this episode, there's a whole lot of angst and darkness going on, but I am going to actually be going off a play on the title of the episode. So Dark Side of the Moon is the name of that episode, and I am picking a shade called Howl at the Moon, the whole moon thing going on there. And it is one of my new Looksy shadows. This is Howl at the Moon. I will swatch it for you. I did swatch all of them in my haul video, so if you want to check out what they all look like, you can check them there. That is Howl at the Moon. It is so pretty, and I'm very excited to actually put the first Looksy eyeshadow on my eyes since I got them. My goal for this is going to be just to hit pan. The next episode that I'm rolling in is called 99 Problems. There's a whole lot going on in this episode. It is like the apocalypse. Like everything that could go bad is going bad, which is kind of why it's called 99 Problems. So I cannot believe I had an eyeshadow called 99, which, like, could it be any more perfect? This is from ColourPop. This is the Digital Underground palette. I have not even swatched this palette. And this is the shade 99 right there in the center. It is a beautiful shimmery peach color, which I'm fine with. Oh, it's like a pinky peach with like a gold shift. This could be fun to play with. Let me just show you a swatch of that. That is 99 right there. My goal for 99 is just to hit pan. The last episode that I'm rolling in is Point of No Return. In this episode, there is a lot of stuff going on with angels and using the human body as vessels for souls and angels and stuff like that. It's a very tumultuous part of the season, and a lot of angel action, and not all of the action is good angel action. This episode is very heavily angel involved, so I decided to bring in another Looksy shadow. This is called Angel Wings. Could not be more appropriate, and let me get you a swatch of that one. Here is the shade Angel Wings. So we have Howl at the Moon, 99, and Angel Wings. I won't be swatching these every single update. I just wanted to do it since these are rolled in. I know some people want swatches, some people don't want to see swatches every time, so I think my compromise is going to be when I roll it in, I will swatch it, and then, that's kind of all I will do with that one. Hopefully that will make everyone happy, so like the people that want swatches will get it when I introduce the product, and then the people that don't want to see a bunch of swatches only get it when I'm introducing the product. Hope that works out for everyone. All right, that is my update. Very exciting for me because I get to try new products. Also, I had 3 products rolling out, 3 rolling in. I always enjoy an update with a lot of action in it. If you are interested in supernatural and panning and all that kind of stuff and want to join in, by all means, just kind of jump on in. You can start whenever you want, and some people will start and take a break for a while and then start back up again. There is going to be a list of people that I know have at least participated at some point down below if you want to go check out, you know, their channels or their Instagram or however they are doing this. And like I said, if you want to join in, it's no pressure at all. There's no time requirements or anything like that. You kind of pan at your own pace, you set your own goals, that kind of thing. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.